Writing backend boilerplate is a massive waste of your engineering time. If you are still spending hours configuring databases, routing APIs, and writing authentication logic from scratch, you are losing the developer race. The modern full-stack paradigm has shifted. While everyone else is obsessed with front-end UI generation, the real bottleneck has always been the back-end. Today, we are killing that bottleneck. We are breaking down 3 powerful AI tools that build production-ready back-end architecture in minutes, allowing you to focus entirely on core business logic. First up is BuildShip. Traditional back-end development requires setting up servers, managing Node or Python environments, and dealing with complex cloud deployments. BuildShip completely reimagines this workflow. It is an AI-first low-code visual back-end builder that lets you create APIs, schedule cron jobs, and complex cloud workflows using natural language. You simply tell the AI what you want your API route to do, such as fetch data from a public endpoint, process it with an LLM, and send a notification to Discord. BuildShip instantly generates the code block, handles the execution environment, and deploys it as a secure cloud function. It gives you the flexibility of writing custom JavaScript or Python while removing 100% of the infrastructure overhead. Next, we have to look at database management, which brings us to Supabase AI. Setting up a relational database usually means writing complex SQL schemas, handling migrations, and configuring row-level security policies. Supabase AI brings natural language processing directly into your PostgreSQL database. Instead of guessing syntax or searching through documentation, you open the built-in SQL editor and type your requirements in plain text. You can tell the AI to create a users table with automated timestamps, link it to an orders table with a foreign key, and write a secure policy that ensures users can only read their own data. The AI generates optimized SQL, explains exactly what it does, and executes it instantly. It also generates edge functions with AI assistance, meaning your database and your serverless logic live together without any configuration friction. Finally, you need to stitch everything together inside your local development workspace, and that is where Cursor comes in. Cursor is a fork of Visual Studio Code built entirely around artificial intelligence. While basic autocomplete tools only suggest the next line of code, Cursor understands your entire repository codebase. When you need to integrate your new BuildShip APIs and Supabase database into your local application, you do not write the integration code by hand. You open the Composer panel, highlight your folder structure, and command the AI to build a unified API router. Cursor reads your environment variables, scans your existing data models, and writes multi-file updates across your project simultaneously. It catches type errors before you even hit save, acts as a senior pair programmer, and eliminates the tedious trial and error process of connecting back-end services. The math is simple. Combining BuildShip for visual workflow logic, Supabase AI for instant secure database architecture, and Cursor for local repository integration collapses weeks of traditional back-end development into an afternoon. This is not about cutting corners. This is about removing the repetitive, low-value tasks that keep you from building actual features. The future of software engineering belongs to developers who can orchestrate these systems at lightning speed. Stop writing boilerplate, start automating your infrastructure, and deploy your next application before the competition even finishes their configuration file.
Thanks for watching Zero Click Report. Click the icon to subscribe.